Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. And today's video is about the biggest mistakes automotive technicians and mechanics make, and it's not what you think, so stay tuned for that. So you may think that forgetting to put the drain plug in, starting the car up and maybe blowing the engine up, or dropping the car in the pit when you're changing oil, or leaving bolts loose or untorqued wheels, anything like that would be the worst thing that you could possibly do as an automotive technician. And those are pretty high up there on the list. But what I have to say is being complacent. If you become complacent as an automotive technician, you are not going to grow, your pay's not going to go up, and basically you're going to lose the love and the passion that you have for the job over a period of time. So I know, because I speak from experience, where a few years back I got complacent with the job and I would just go to work, do whatever I was doing at work, learning nothing new, not really investing in my craft or anything like that, not really investing in tools very much, other than I absolutely had to. I wasn't doing that. And then I found myself looking at my career going, what am I doing? You know, I felt like I was behind. I also felt like I wasn't making the money I should have been making. Like I saw other guys making more money, or they're going up in pay, and I was kind of stagnant and going, you know, at the steady pace. And I felt like I didn't love the job anymore. I didn't love working on cars. I kind of lost that interest and that spark, and that's all because I got complacent. So luckily for me, I found a way to rekindle and spark my love and passion for working on cars. And then once I got that resparked, I resparked my my ability to study and advance and want to grow my craft and get better and better at it. So if you get complacent at it, you can turn it around. It's going to be different for every individual. You know, for me it actually was going to car shows again and getting involved with cars and just having fun with the cars. So my tip for you guys is to check in with yourself every now and then and make sure that you're progressing and growing and you're planning for your future and trying to get better and better in your skills. If you find that yourself not doing those type of things, you know, hey, come up with a plan. You know, take certifications, take training courses, maybe figure out why you're not as passionate for the job anymore. It could be the shop that you're working in. It may mean a change of scenery, you know, move to a different shop. Whatever it takes to keep that fire going, because this career is worth it. It's definitely an awesome career. So I'm Brian from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.